It was only 18 degrees outside on the January 2026 morning when the guys from Staton Heating and Air pulled into Faye Jones' side driveway at the coming home where she has lived for 58 years. And they came with two very special gifts: an awesome brand new Trane furnace to be installed in her basement and a fantastic air conditioning unit installed outside. The Staton family and their team have partnered with Trane and Staton's Comfort for Our Community program for years. They've donated awesome Trane HVAC systems to several deserving people, such as Faye Jones. Faye was sitting in front of her portable electric heater reading the Bible when we got there on the installation day, something she does often. Faye and her husband Franklin raised 3 children in this home. They were active members of the Longstreet Baptist Church right down the road all of their lives. Faye could not have been more thrilled that members of her community nominated her for this incredible gift from Staton Heating and Air and Trane.
God bless you, and I am so thankful, and I'm honored that I was nominated, and I am thrilled that I am getting new heating and air. At my age in life, these things are very, very expensive, and I'm just thankful.
Faye says her husband Franklin passed away 4 years ago, and she's dealing with vertigo. It's a challenge sometimes to keep from falling. But on this morning, she was thrilled that 3 great guys from Staton pulled out her old furnace in the basement, brought in the new Trane high-efficiency system. Trane makes some of the best HVAC equipment you can get. It's hard to stop a Trane. Staton's service manager, Brandon Lorenzen, personally came out for this install. This is his 30th year with Staton, and he knows how special it is to give back to people like Faye.
Communities are changing. This area is changing. You don't have the people that have been here for 50 years anymore. So I think it shows her that there still is community, right? Even though her neighbors may be changing, that there are people that care about her, that we appreciate her, and just that there's still hope.
Brandon says he and his team don't mind the hard work required to replace an HVAC system on a day like this one, because giving back has always been a big part of the Staton Heating and Air story.
I don't know if many people would stay at a job for 30 years if the owners weren't kind, yes, you know, they have a company to run. It's not a free service, but at the end of the day, it's family owned and operated, and they care about their employees, they care about their customers, and we always try to do what's right.
Faye hopes people who watch this story will remember locally owned and operated family businesses such as Staton Heating and Air are so worthy of your business.
I don't know you personally, but my family does, and I know how much you mean to this community and to your church and everything. So
I appreciate it. To sum it all up, God is good.
Thank you.
And thank you.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
honored. Thank you.
Congratulations to Faye and the wonderful team at Staton Heating and Air and Trane, all of whom have been making our world a better place for so many years. I'm Rich Noonan. Thanks so much for watching.